Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm reviewing a product and also making a tasty and healthy KBA smoothie, that is kiwi banana avocado smoothie. Very delicious and easy to make. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. I want to show you all this smart nutrition scale I received from Etekcity for a product review. Model number ESNOO. First, I want to thank them for letting me try this out. I always wanted to use a food scale because it is so helpful in keeping on a diet. Please look in the description box for the product link on Etekcity's homepage. It comes with a very easy to follow instruction manual. Very lightweight and easy to use on your kitchen table. It uses two AAA batteries. You will need to download the VSync app and pair it with your phone over Bluetooth. The instruction manual shows you how to do this. Very easy, and just follow the instruction. For accurate results, always place scale on a hard surface. Place an empty bowl on the scale. Now the scale shows the bowl weight 7.3 ounce. Turn the mobile device on before you start. It will show the same number. Now press the power button. It will set to 0. Now add whatever you want to measure without removing the bowl from the scale. The scale will measure the item without including the weight of the bowl. Now the app is asking what is on the scale. I'm selecting raw banana. Now we can see how much calories, fat, protein and carbohydrate are in the food. You can also directly measure solid food on the top without a cup. Now I'm measuring raisins. It's easy, 0.4 ounce. Let's see the nutrition facts. 0.4 ounce of raisins has 32.9 calories, 0.4 gram of protein, 0 gram of fat, and 8.7 gram of carbohydrates. This is very useful for people who are on a diet and want to keep track of their food intake. It's easy to clean and you can store it in your kitchen cabinets. If you want to power off the scale, just press the button for 3 seconds. I think this is a great device to keep you on a diet. Let's make the smoothie now. I'm using kiwis, bananas and avocado. 5 kiwis, 1.5 bananas. These are big bananas. If you are using small ones, use 2. And 1/2 avocado. Cut them into small pieces. I always prefer 2% milk, but you may use full fat milk as well. Of course, sugar. I'm using unbleached cane sugar, but you may use honey instead. 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Some saffron threads. This is optional. This is for garnishing. Ground cardamom. This is also optional, but it adds a nice flavor to the smoothie. Some ice cubes. Add all the ingredients into the food processor. Kiwis, bananas, avocado, yogurt, I use 3 tablespoons of yogurt, sugar according to your taste, and milk. I didn't measure the milk, just enough to cover the ingredients. Add ice cubes. And ground cardamom. Put the cover on and blend them well on high speed. It's ready. Take your serving cup and add some ice cubes and pour in the smoothie. Garnish it with some saffron on the top before you serve. It started snowing now. I always love to drink something cold when it snows. Sounds funny. It's perfect with my dinner. You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.